Step 1. Removing the grill by taking out the 6 plugs, holding it in on top. Separate the grill from the bottom. And don't forget to unhook the blinkers before fully removing. Step 2. Removing the old headlights. Begin by removing the 4 screws on the metal bracket around the headlight. Make sure you don't get rid of the screws or brackets. You will reuse them for the new headlights. Here's a closer view. Step 3. Disconnecting the old headlights. Start by pushing back the red tab to loosen the adapter. As you can see, I still had the original headlights in, so everything was pretty stuck together. I was really struggling to disconnect the adapter, so I ended up taking the bulb out first. Still struggling, I gave up and got help. The pro had no problem, just needed a little gentle prying. Step 4. Mounting the Bluetooth box. We decided to put it behind this panel next to the radiator. Step 5. Adding wire loom to all the wiring. This is going to keep all the wiring organized, more protected, and held together. A little time-consuming, but very worth it. Step 6. Exposing current blinker wire to connect new wires. My wiring was taped together, so we had to remove that first. Once the tape was off, we exposed the wires by removing the coating. Step 7. Connecting the halo blinker to the original blinker. We started by wrapping the halo blinker wire around the original blinker wire that we just exposed. Then we carefully soldered the two together. Then added electrical tape to keep it protected. Step 8. Connecting the new passenger headlight. First, we connected the anti-flicker adapter to the original green adapter. Then we connected the halo adapter. We added electrical tape to waterproof the connection between the anti-flicker adapter and headlight connector. Step 9. Screwing in the new passenger headlight. Be sure everything is aligned correctly. This is where you will reuse the metal brackets and screws. Nice catch! Step 10. Securing wires to the driver's side headlight. While he was doing that, I got started on removing the old fog lights. Step 11. Connecting the driver's side headlight. We did the same thing as we did to the passenger side. Started by connecting the anti-flicker adapter to the original green adapter. Then connected the halo adapter. Struggling a little bit again. No worries, I got it. Finally, I plugged the headlight into the anti-flicker adapter. Good snug fit. Last, I added more electrical tape just to make sure it's watertight. Step 12. Screwing in the new driver headlight. Again, be sure everything is aligned correctly. That's not it. Oh no, I missed it. Still not right. You have to be kidding me. I made that take way longer than it needed to. Time to add the screws. Dust, dust, dust. Step 13. Finish removing the fog lights. Ignore my face. I was annoyed at the moment. I definitely recommend if you have an aftermarket bumper. Take it off if you can. Mine made removing and adding the fog lights extra difficult. Step 14. Putting in the new fog lights. Step 15. Connecting the new fog lights. I forgot to record, but first we had to cut and add wire splice connectors to the adapter. Then we were able to connect them just like the headlights. Finally, we secured the wiring inside the bumper. Step 16. Connect the black wire to the GNC. Step 17. File opening to run the wiring into the fuse box. This is to make sure the wire won't get pinched when the box is closed. Step 18. Connect the red wire to the ACC. We added a fuse tap to the red wire by splicing them together. Pinch extra tight. There you have it, all done. They look so awesome at night. Thank you, Suparee, for sending me these amazing lights.